I'll probably be throwing 7s. So if I get in the finals, kids will throw it down. I'll probably try a 9 or something. Should be good.
Tail grab and maybe an iron cross. Should be doing a truck driver.
I said, let's get down, we're getting crazy movement. Got to get out of control. Sometimes I like to see you move in slow motion. Said, baby, out of control. Won't I take you by the hand, show you right down to